Hello student, today we discuss exercise 7.3 chapter 7 triangles. Sum number 1 triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, show that. We have to show 4 parts. These are triangle ABD is congruent to ACD. Part second, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Third part, AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. And the last part, fourth, AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. Figure right side of the page given to show. In given we will write triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. AB equals to AC, DB equals to DC. Now proof. In triangle ABD and in triangle ACD, AB equals to AC, ADAD common, it's given, BD equals to CD also given. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by S, side, side, side. Therefore, by simplicity, angle 1 equal to angle 2 by corresponding part of congruent triangles. First part proved. Now we comes to part second. Triangle ABP and ACP. AB equals to AC, AP common, it's given, and angle 1 equals to angle 2 above proved. So triangle ABP is congruent to ACP by side, angle, side. Second part proved. We will write here. Hence, proved. Now, the next part. Part third. AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. For angle A, angle 1 equals to angle 2. For angle D, we need to prove these two angles are equal. Let me take these two angles are angle 3 and angle 4. For it, we need to prove triangle BDP is congruent to triangle CDP. In triangle BD equals to CD, given DP common, and BP equals to CP by CPCT, this part. Because if triangle ABP is congruent to ACP, then BP is equals to CP. So, triangle congruent by side. So, angle 3 equals to angle 4 by CPCT. So, AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Now the next and last fourth part. In the part fourth, we need to prove AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Bisector already we proved. Now for bisector, perpendicular. Angle 5 equals to angle 6 by CPCT. Now, angle 5 plus angle 6 equals to 180. Reason? Linear pair. Now replace angle 5 plus angle 5 because both are equal. Twice of angle 5 equals to 180. Angle 5 is equals to 180 by 2 makes 90. Hence, AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. Next question, number second. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC. Make figure. Altitude in which AB equals to AC. Show that first part AD bisects BC. Second part AD bisects angle A. Altitude means to say angle of 90 degree. Given same from the statement. To show proof in triangle ADB ADC. AB equals to AC. It's a given. AD common. Let we give this name angle 1 and angle 2, or we can write it as angle ADB equals to angle ADC. Each 90. So triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS, right angle, in front of right angle hypotenuse and a side. So these two angles are equal and BD is equals to CD by CPCT. So AD bisects two equal part. BC for part second. Angle 3 equals to angle 4 by CPCT. Hence AD bisects angle A. Thank you.